Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to open a paper account that can send and receive fund right here in Nigeria. That is, if you have someone outside Nigeria that want to send you money through paper, you can receive the money and you withdraw it into your Nigeria account. Like, it's not scam, it's real, and I will show you guys how to do it. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to open that paper account that can, because in Nigeria here, as you can only send money with Nigeria paper account. You can't receive money. But I'll show you guys a paper, like another way whereby you open a paper account that can send and receive money right here in Nigeria. So in case you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I drop a new video. Alright, let's go into it. If you want to open a paper account, this particular paper account, like, it's called a Lesotho paper account. It's not a Nigeria paper account, but there's a way you manipulate it whereby you provide your details when opening the account. Let's go into it. So you go to www.paper.com/ls. Then click on it. Sorry, I think my network is somehow slow, but alright, so this is it. So now this is the paper account. Then you go to sign up. You go to paper and sign up. Now this platform we are now, it's a Lesotho, like we want to open a Lesotho paper account, not a Nigeria paper account. So you see personal account and business account. If you choose this personal account, like you need to provide your Lesotho details when opening the account. But since we are using our Nigeria details to open the paper account, we'll go for business account. So we click on business account, then we'll continue. So wait for it to load. Alright, so this is it. So here now we need to put our email address. We follow it step by step so that you guys won't be confused. We put our email address here. So let me use this email address. Alright, then continue. So we'll choose a password. Choose a password. Alright, this is it. Continue. Okay, so at least 8 character. Alright, I think it's okay now. So now this place, now you see legal first name, legal last name, business name, and everything like that. So now I'll show you guys how to fill this form accurately so that you won't have any issues with the paper account. So first of all, the legal first name, you need to put your real name, your real name there, since it's your details you are using. So you need to put your real name. So let's fill this form now. Alright, first name, then last name, same. Then legal business name. It's not compulsory you use your business name. You can just put any name there. So let's just say Simon Enterprise. Let's use Simon Enterprise. All right. So now, business phone number. If you say this logo, it's not a Nigeria logo, it's a Lesotho logo. So now you need to just click on that logo. You will see different countries and their code and their flag. So you scroll down to Nigeria. You scroll down to Nigeria. Scroll down to Nigeria. Look for Nigeria. Seems I'm too fast. Let me slow down a little. Nigeria. Alright, this is Nigeria. You just click on it. So now you put your Nigeria phone number there. You put your Nigeria phone number. Sorry, let me put that. Let me include that again. Alright, that is it. So your address. So at this point you put your address there. Let me use any address here. All right, let me so this second address is optional, so you just leave that one. City, you put in your city, then your state, you put in state, then postal code. All these options, you fill them correctly. All right, so primary currency, leave it at US dollar, then you click agree, then you continue. You go through the form you fill, make sure everything is correct, then agree and continue. Wait for it to run. Now at this place they'll ask you to describe your business, so you choose individual sole proprietorship. You click on it, then they'll ask you to probably they'll ask you to put your business, kind of things you do. So at this point you see so many options, but just you can just choose any of, just go scroll down, then look at the one you are best to put that, then you just put it. I'll put electrical, computer network service, or electrical part equipment. So electrical part equipment, the website is optional, and then you continue. Then here now you put your real date of birth, the one that's in your ID card, your real date of birth. So that is what you put here, your real date of birth. So at this point we'll put our date of birth now. Date of birth, you put your real date of birth here. So That is it. The country, Nigeria, because we're using our Nigeria uh, identity, Nigeria. We'll come back to the date of birth, don't worry. Identity, me, I'm using my national ID card, so click on national ID card. They'll ask you to put your national ID card number. National ID card number. So that is it. Business address, same as home address exactly. Then let's put our date of birth now. Our date of birth. Alright. Alright, so that is it. So you confirm your information. Once everything is correct, then you could submit. You submit it. Wait for it to load. So at this point now, PayPal will send us an email for us to confirm, the stuff like that, for us to confirm the account. So now, so this is it. We've opened the account. So the account is now perfectly working now. Go to summary to see the account is perfectly working now. Because now you request or send phone, you can see it. You can request or or send phone with this account. You can send an invoice. You can what like this account you can send and receive funds. It's a normal account. It's not a Nigeria account that is only restricted to only sending money. So that is it. Let's go to summary and see. So sorry, my network is somehow bad. You can see the balance is 00. So we asked to confirm email address. So we go to our email now. Go to the email. Let me refresh this. PayPal will send us a message. So we're supposed to get a message from PayPal. I don't know why the message is not coming. The email from PayPal. I'm supposed to get an email from PayPal for us to confirm the account. So you just click on it, put in your password to confirm the stuff. Once it's confirmed, then you are good to go. I don't know why the message from PayPal is not coming. But I've been opening this. I've been using this account for long. This type of PayPal account for long, and it's working for me perfectly. So that is just the last part of it is just for us to just get an email from PayPal. Then we'll confirm. Tap the confirmation button. Then you put in our password to confirm. Then that is all. Then we're good to go. But I guess it should be network. That's why it's not coming. It should be network. So the next video that I will do, I will show you guys how to link a specific card that you can use to collect that and withdraw money from this PayPal account into your Nigeria bank account. Someone can even send you up to $1,000, $2,000. You withdraw it and it will enter your Nigeria bank account. Like, you get the money in naira very fast, and I'm sure I've been using it for months now, probably up to a year now. I've been using it and it's working for me perfectly. So the next video I'll show you guys how to do that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. And in case you are confused about anything, please can just comment on the video. Then I'll reply your comments as soon as possible. And I'll also drop my WhatsApp my WhatsApp link at the description below, so that you can just chat me through there. Then probably we'll talk better. If you are confused about anything, just chat me there, then I'll put you through. So that's all for now. Thanks.